Do you need an estate planning lawyer? Here's how to know. Hi, I'm Michael Hackard, founder of Hackard Law. When people think of estate planning, they often picture a will, a few papers, maybe something you sign later in life. But in reality, estate planning is about much more than documents. It's about protecting your family, preserving your assets, and making sure your voice is heard, even when you're no longer here to speak. So, how do you know when it's time to work with an estate planning lawyer? Let me walk you through the key signs and why they matter. One, you have loved ones to protect. If you have a spouse, children, aging parents, or anyone who depends on you, you need a plan. Estate planning lawyer helps you. Appoint guardians for your children. Set up trusts to manage money for heirs. Document your medical wishes. Designate someone to handle finances if you can't. These aren't just technical decisions, they're emotional safeguards for the people you love most. Two, you own property, investments, or a business. You don't need to be wealthy to need a plan. Most people own more than they think. Homes, retirement accounts, life insurance, digital assets, all need to be addressed. A skilled estate lawyer helps you. Title assets, properly set up trusts to avoid probate plan, business succession. Coordinate with your CPA or financial advisor. Minimize taxes. Without a strategy, your estate could face delays, disputes, or unnecessary costs. Three, your family situation is complex. Today's families are rarely simple. You may be part of a blended family, have stepchildren, an unmarried partner, or estranged relatives. Default laws don't always reflect your real life, and generic documents don't handle emotional nuance. An estate lawyer can help you protect a long-term partner, clearly divide assets among children, biological, adopted, or step, explain unequal distributions without sparking conflict, exclude someone if needed in a legal and respectful way. Estate planning should reflect your values, not just your bloodline. 4. You want to avoid conflict, court, and chaos. Even loving families can fall apart when grief and uncertainty collide. A good estate plan prevents that. With an experienced lawyer, you can use clear, enforceable language, include no contest clauses, define decision-making roles, appoint neutral fiduciaries when needed. Planning ahead helps your family focus on healing, not fighting. 5, you've had a major life change: marriage, divorce, a new child, a new business, a move to another state. All of these trigger the need to update your estate plan. Too often, we see families stuck with outdated documents and unintended consequences. An estate lawyer doesn't just draft your plan, they help maintain it. 6, you want control over your legacy and care. Without a plan, the state decides who gets your property, who raises your children, who makes medical decisions if you're incapacitated. Working with a lawyer ensures that your voice leads the way. You can name the people you trust, direct how and when assets are distributed, leave charitable gifts, document your end-of-life care preferences. This isn't just planning for death, it's planning for how you want to live and be remembered. 7, you want peace of mind. The greatest benefit of working with an estate planning lawyer? Peace of mind. Knowing your documents are valid, up to date, and tailored to your life. Knowing your family won't be left guessing. Knowing you've done the right thing. At Hackard Law, we walk with our clients through every step of this process, asking the right questions, understanding their goals, and building plans that stand the test of time. So, do you need an estate planning lawyer? If you want to protect your family, secure your assets, avoid future disputes, and have real peace of mind, the answer is yes. Because estate planning isn't just about end of life. It's about how you live and how you love. And the right lawyer doesn't just prepare documents. They help you prepare your legacy. I'm Michael Hackard. Thank you for watching.